Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2013 Kia Sportage, powered by a 2.4-liter engine, providing you with excellent fuel efficiency for getting around with all-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to handle the tougher conditions a bit better. Let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, we have a pretty spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down your rear seats. You have a 12-volt power outlet right there. And then you have some extra storage underneath this cargo cover here, which is always nice too. And I believe underneath that, you have your spare tire. Then looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for 3, and you do have a fold-out armrest with 2 cup holders in the middle. Then looking into the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now sitting in the vehicle they're running, you can see it's sitting at 117,513 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your cruise controls, and on the left you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, as well as coming along the bottom here. And then you have these buttons over here to cycle through your trip information, such as trip A and B mileage, distance to empty, fuel economy, and average speed, and trip timer. Moving on down here, you have your all-wheel drive lock, your hill park or hill descent assist, and traction control shut-off. Moving up to your Infotainment Center, which is radio, Sirius, CD, Bluetooth, and auxiliary capable, so you have quite a few options there for whatever you want to listen to. And moving down from that, you have your hazards, and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate, so you can stay comfortable at different temperatures. And then below that, you have 2 12-volt power outlets, your USB and auxiliary, so you can plug something into power or charge, or hook up your audio there. Then you have your buttons for your heated front seats on either side, so you can stay cozy. Then you have your main shifter with select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. You have 2 cup holders, and then you have your center compartment / armrest here, which is pretty spacious inside for all of your stuff. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.